Welcome to the Marketing Revolution podcast. This is the underground movement of savage marketers from all over the world. We are not Fortune 500 companies. We are real entrepreneurs with real businesses that have one major thing in mind: to set goals and devour them daily. Because we understand that everyone wants to eat, but only savage marketers are willing to do the hunt. Now let's get this revolution started. Hey, what's up, everybody? John Hiley here with the Marketing Revolution podcast and the Marketing Savage Facebook group. Hope you guys are having an amazing Tuesday. And like I said, today is Tactical Tuesday. We're going to jump into this and we're going to talk about process and activity mapping. It's a really cool subject. It's something that I've been doing for quite some time. And it's one of the reasons why I can manage multiple companies and everything will continue to move forward. Everything does not go into complete and utter chaos, which is exactly what happens to a lot of businesses when they start adding or when they start growing or when things start changing. So this is going to be a way that you can actually stop that and you can set up your business to actually scale, meaning that it can move without you, which is super important. I think we went over a little bit of that last week, the importance of systemizing your business. So I'm not going to go into all the details there. But that being said, this is something that I'm currently working on. So I'm actually finishing up the systems course inside of the Marketing Savage Inner Circle, the Marketing Savage University that comes along with the Marketing Savage Inner Circle. That's going to be dropped. It's going to be released on the 26th. And I got to tell you guys, man, it's coming along great. I probably have about 3 to 4 more video modules to finish the systemizing course. And then as far as that goes, we've got the Create Your Marketing Machine, the Savage Marketing Machine course. And then we've got the systems course. And as we go and as we grow, we're going to continue adding additional value components to that. And a lot of that stuff is going to be going down live inside of the Marketing Savage Inner Circle group. So there's going to be some pretty interesting stuff going on there. I'm going to put something together that from what I've seen and what I'm involved in never has been done. We're going to be interviewing some incredible experts in all kinds of different fields, everything from energy management all the way to, very tactical stuff like Facebook, like Instagram, like some of the stuff that we're talking about today, people that are involved in creating processes. I know that this is going to be the absolute most powerful inner circle group that has ever been created when it comes to marketing and growing and designing a business that actually works for you rather than you working for it. So that being said, guys, I'm going to do a screen share here today where I'm just going to go over quickly and talk about process and activity mapping and exactly what that is. So the very first thing that you've got to realize, any activity inside of your business is anything that's a moving action, like anything that takes a action. It doesn't matter if that action is done in a system where it's being automated or it's actually done physically by a person or even by you. So an activity is any moving action. The next part of this is the process. The process is a connection of moving actions together. It's a series of actions that produce a desired result. There's so much complication over creating processes inside of your business. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to simplify that. So inside of the inner circle, I've created an entire system, an entire module. It's probably a couple hours long, but it shows you how to minimize the work that is literally, it's just overblown how complicated. People make this so complicated. And to top it off, this is one of the things that I hear more businesses talk about that they want to learn, that they want to implement. These are the things that everybody seems to want, but nobody seems to know how to get it. So that being said, this is the process on how to get it. first, you got to identify any activity, any move in action. And next, you got to be able to understand that you got to create a process with all of these activities, meaning it is a connection of moving actions together, a series of actions that produce the desired result. And third, which you got to be good at, is mapping. Okay. So mapping is literally organizing these activities in a clear, chronological way in an activity flow chart. And it's very powerful when you learn how to take all three of these elements and you put them together. You can create systems inside of your company that are so powerful that little changes inside of that system can create massive results. Some of you guys may have listened to the previous podcast where I was talking about literally how to amplify your bottom line, which is the profit, by essentially manipulating key numbers inside of your business. Well, the way that you manipulate key numbers inside of your business is you got to understand, you've got to be able to map all the activities, and you got to turn them into processes and be able to organize these activities in a clear chart. So that way, once you understand the flow, imagine this. Imagine once you understand the flow of your map, you'll understand where problems are. You'll understand where areas where things are getting stuck, and you'll be able to quickly identify and quickly make changes in them areas in your business. And you'll be able to determine and understand the metrics and understand the numbers if the changes that you make are positive or not. Super important. No business can be grown without this strategy, without this system. They may call it something else. I've heard different names kicked around. Many businesses that I've worked with in the past, all the way from huge financial. Actually, one of my previous masterminds that I had, we had a guy that was in a massive financial company, and I mean, big time. He literally has like one of the biggest tower buildings here inside of the Dayton area, and everything from what they do in the biggest businesses that I've worked with, all the way down to very small mom and pop shops. You can actually utilize this process to clearly understand your business. Even if you're a one-man operation, when you begin implementing this inside of your business, you'll see immediate results and immediate changes because it'll give you clarity around your activities, your processes, and you'll understand, you'll be able to see an overall view of the map so you can make changes in accordance to where the problems are, where are areas that can be improved. You'll be able to quickly identify them areas. So anyhow, guys, I just want to drop this on you today. So completely understand that you need to understand the activities in your business. You need to create them into processes and then create a map that you can understand these processes, understand where you can make changes. So anyhow, y'all, I appreciate you for coming along on this Tactical Tuesday podcast. And as usual, we'll see you in the next one.